67% of couples report becoming very unhappy with one another within 3 years of baby's arrival. Well, what's happening there? Yes, it is a strain. Raising kids is not easy. But what about those 33% who remained happy even after baby came? That's what I would like to share with you in a workshop that we've called A Stronger We for a Better Us. So join me on Wednesday, September 22nd at 11:30 a.m. for a Zoom workshop to talk about the practical little things that you can include in your day-to-day life with your partner so that you can keep that spark, you can keep that connection. Once they're grown and flown, you only have yourselves to rely upon. So wouldn't you love to have a stronger we, even though the us is driving you crazy? I am a PCI certified parent coach, and I have shared these tricks and tips with other parents with whom I've worked, and I would love to share them with you. Check out the registration below, and I hope to see you on Wednesday, September 22nd at 11:30 a.m. Central Standard Time.